Introduction. Hello, wonderful viewers. Welcome back to our RMF exploration series. We're on a mission to decode the risk management framework, step by step. Today, we're diving into the third critical phase, implementation. Let's roll up our sleeves and get started. Segment 1. From selection to action. After meticulously selecting the appropriate security controls based on our categorization and specific system needs, it's time to put these plans into action through implementation. Think of this step as the construction phase, where we build the defenses we've chosen. It's not just about flipping a switch. It's about configuring, integrating, and customizing these controls to ensure they function effectively within our unique environment. Segment 2. Configuring for effectiveness. Configuration is key. Let's say you've selected controls related to access management. You'll need to set up user accounts, permissions, and authentication mechanisms in alignment with the chosen controls. Each control has a set of implementation guidelines. Following these guidelines ensures that the controls are properly configured and working as intended. Segment 3. Collaboration and coordination. Implementation isn't a one-person job. It requires collaboration among different teams, security, and operations. Effective coordination ensures that the security controls are seamlessly integrated into the system's architecture. It's also important to communicate the changes to relevant stakeholders. When everyone understands their roles and responsibilities, the implementation process becomes smoother. Segment 4. Testing the controls. Here's a crucial part of the implementation phase, testing. Rigorous testing ensures that the controls are not only operational but also effective in mitigating the identified risks. Penetration testing, vulnerability assessments, and simulations of real-world scenarios help identify any weaknesses or areas that need fine-tuning. Conclusion. So, there you have it. The third step of the risk management framework, implementation. It's where plans transition into action, and security controls are brought to life. Our RMF journey continues. Don't forget to tune in for our upcoming videos as we explore the remaining steps in this comprehensive framework. If you found this information helpful, show us some love by liking this video and subscribing to our channel. Until next time, stay secure and keep exploring the world of cybersecurity.